Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Educates, and today we're going to create a vintage-inspired centerpiece that could be used for a wedding or reception or just a daily arrangement. We're going to be using the stem grid technique, so we're going to come in. One of the new foliages that we're carrying here at Lembush Roses is a pistachio foliage, and you can see we're going to come in. I've chosen a vase with a lower profile and a wider body, and that's going to allow me to utilize that stem grid technique, forming those X's. So you can see that this pistachio, two stems, forms a natural armature that I'm going to be able to create this design in. So let's take a look at it. So here you can see our finished centerpiece. So we have a variety of materials that will have groupings done of those materials so that it creates visual interest throughout the bouquet. So you can see that it's no higher than my arm. So if you have a table centerpiece, it needs to be low. And last pro tip, so I know the popularity of the bleach materials, but what we're going to do is bring this in last, and we're really going to tuck it just into the mechanics of our flowers versus going down into the water, because this is going to wick. Even if you put it in your cooler, it is going to pick up some moisture, but to be able to have it look the way that you want to present it is to just cut that off shorter and tuck it into the flowers, and then you'll be able to have that visual interest that that bleach material adds, that contrast in the design and that updated look. So the vintage look is one of the most popular looks we're seeing right now, and you can see how beautifully the contrast of colors can be. So I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Educates. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel.